So in the previous drawing that you'll remember that I drew this step block, this thing, and there was a slight issue, not a big problem for me here, but this, apart from messing that up, this circle, because it's viewed at an angle, it doesn't look exactly circular, it goes like that. So if you've got that sort of problem and you want to avoid it, instead of using isometric projections, you can use something called oblique view. Now with oblique view you can look onto one face, just one face only, straight on. And then the lines, which, if you remember, here things were going at 30 degrees off the horizontal. With oblique view it's 45 degrees. So let's give that a shot. So I'm going to draw that face to start off with. So let's just draw a horizontal guideline here, and these are just guidelines, remember, you know, I'm just creating it again, but this time that's going to be at 45 degrees. Now once again I'd recommend you do this in pencil to start off with, just so if you mess it up like I did earlier, then you can recover without too many problems. So hopefully you can see that this face here is that. Now personally I don't much care for oblique view, but you never know, you might like it. There we go. So notice all of these lines are parallel, and then these lines are going to be parallel, and these are like 45 degrees like that. And so why is this easier? Well, the front face is viewed straight on, so if you had a compass or some other thing which you could draw a circle in, it would be straight on like that, so no problems with that. There's a slightly distorting effect. I mean, it's probably hugely distorting because I'm not very good at drawing this, but slightly distorting effect of using oblique view, in that these side lengths actually look a bit longer than they really are. And I would say the majority of times you won't use oblique view, you'll use isometric, but I'm giving you this as an option. So once you've done the creating in pencil probably, then you can just go over with a fine liner, or go over heavier with a pencil again if you want, just like we did before. And don't worry about the corners. Say if for example you go over a corner a little bit, so it's like, you know, a little bit like that, no problem at all, because it's only a sketch. I mean, that doesn't matter if you do that. It almost adds a little bit of artistic appeal to it, I would say. So like that. And then obviously if you wanted dimensions, you're probably not going to, but because we've got another special type of drawing, a third angle orthographic projection, then you could add some more dimensions like so. And I won't do all the dimensions, but you get the idea anyway. Hopefully you get the idea. So that is what we call oblique view, and that's the end of the video.